Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking about why I think Bitcoin is going to 50k next. Okay, so in my Twitter account here, you can see that I made this post about 13 hours ago. Okay, and the price at that time was around 60k. So now the price has dropped quite significantly now to around the price of 56k. So it's quite weak currently. Okay, so I'll explain why I made the prediction. Okay, so the first step is that we will look at the price movement from around 67k to about 60k. Okay, and that movement is caused by this median line failure. Okay, so I've explained about this quite a lot of times in my YouTube channel. You can check that out. So basically, whenever there is a gap between the price and the median line, when the price moves towards the median, okay, so this is the median line here. Okay, there's a very high chance that the price will go back down to the pivot C of this A, B, C pattern here. Okay, so if I were to redraw this pitchfork, you can see this more clearly. So I'll start here, A, B, and C, and you can see that there is a gap. Okay, and this is what we call a median line failure. So the price has dropped down to here already. But why did it go even lower? Okay, there's a few reasons, but the first reason I would say is because there is a rejection of the hourly 4 SMA. So this is the 200 hourly 4 SMA. Okay, the price has rejected it multiple times from the bottom, and normally it's a very bearish behavior. So adding together with this bearishness, yeah, the price eventually went even lower than the pivot C. Okay, so I'll give another explanation why this is happening, the lower prices. So I'll go to another chart of Bitcoin here. Okay, I think it's, let me check. I think it's this one. Yeah, this is the one. So you notice that when the price goes towards the pivot C of Bitcoin, okay, the market gave us multiple chances of going into a long, right? You can see that the price goes down, then go down again, even lower. Every single time it goes lower. Okay, it makes it very easy to enter a long position. Okay, and that's just something that the market manipulators enjoy to trap traders within. Okay, so like for example, if you were to enter a long from here, your stop loss will probably be around this location here. Okay, and the market, the smart money, they know this, so they want to trap as many traders as possible to enter longs within this position. Okay, and currently yeah, if you were to place your short, I mean you place your long position here and your stop loss here. Okay, you can imagine what happens if the price goes below this level. Okay, yeah, it basically breaks right through it and liquidates every single long position here, forcing the price even lower. And I think this is what's happening right now. We are getting a long liquidation cascade. Okay, so basically every single long position as you can think of, within this range here, they just keep getting stopped out and liquidated non-stop. Okay, and this is basically what's fueling the lower prices right now. Yeah. Okay, so that's the second reason, and I'll talk about the bigger picture. So currently I'll go to the weekly chart. Okay, and you can see what's happening here. So basically there is a pitchfork, a very big pitchfork I drew here. Okay, the same indicator that I drew over here. Okay, but this is a much bigger time frame. And you can see this pitchfork over here, and the median line is right in the middle. And you notice that the current prices has rejected the median line. Okay, and normally that's a very bearish behavior. So you can notice this is, I would say, more like a false breakout kind of behavior. Okay, false breakout, then test right at the point, false breakout again. So normally when you see something like this, there's a high chance that the low parallel gets hit. Okay, so this is the low parallel. Okay, if I were to draw the line more clearly, I think there's a bit faint here. Okay, put it as yellow. Yeah, so this is the low parallel. So normally when you see something like this, a false breakout, and there's a chance that the low parallel gets hit, or at least there is a traction towards the low parallel when you see something like this. Okay, And currently the lower parallel is around the price of 40K. Yeah, but I don't think it will go that low, to be honest. So what could happen is that the prices go sideways a little bit. Once it touches this 200-day SMA. So the 200-day SMA is this line here. Okay, it's a bit faint, but you can see it over here. And it's around the price of 50K. I think quite a lot of people are predicting the prices will go down to 50K. You know, we'll see once it goes down there, but I would expect the low parallel to at least be touched at some point. Okay. You know, but if this whole structure drags on longer, then the price will be higher. Okay. Maybe, you know, currently we are at 39K, which obviously is a bit too low, okay, as a price target for now. So we just, you know, move to 1 month later, that June, prices will be around at 40K. You know, July, the prices will be around like 42K. So yeah, maybe, you know, the price might go towards the low parallel some point, maybe like 3 months later. That's a possibility, okay? But for now, yeah, just basically the low parallel is acting as a magnet for prices, okay? It's not a guarantee that the price must go down to the low parallel, but it is a huge magnet, yeah, attractor of prices. Okay, so the best support right now, of course, I think quite a lot of people know about this, is the 200-day moving average, which is around 50K right now. That's the best support that I can think of. Okay, for now. Yeah, we just have to watch. So that's the primary reason why I think that 50K is the next target. Okay, now whether the price will stop there, that'll be a different question once the prices reach there. Okay, so I'll make an update on that. So like and subscribe this video. And also check out my Twitter account, you know, you can follow my Twitter. And I will post all the updates over here first before I make a video on YouTube. Okay. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you.